What's up? Summer, hot. Right. Let me show you how to use this folding fan. Okay, Chinese folding fan. This is made of paper. Okay, some are made of silk or different material. Okay, but paper folding fan is really common or popular. Let me show you how to open it. Okay, like this. First, finger like this. Open it. Twist it. Like this. Twist. Open, right? And then shake. See? Got it? And then you can unfold. This one, the quality is not really good. Okay, it's not really easy to unfold, but can fold it like this. Okay, do opposite way. Open, shake. Okay, and then go back. Okay, something like that. Right. Okay, see? Practice a little bit. All right, it's really good picture. Okay, all right. Take it with you. All right, and really easy to carry. Okay. And I have another one. My friend just gave it to me. Ooh, this one is much better. This one I bought it on the street. Okay, and when I was traveling, it's so hot. Okay, I bought two of them. Two for about $2. Okay, $2 American. It's not bad. Okay, the quality is pretty good. Okay, when you buy it, okay, the way how to tell the quality, you see this spine thing. Okay, it's really soft. Okay, I just believe the quality is not good. Okay, you don't want the spine really soft. Okay, and also when you check, you don't see any like a splint something. Okay, on there, the edge should be smooth. All right, the picture, okay, and everything should be looking good. Okay, they're easy, but it's the price is cheap. Okay, there are expensive ones. Okay, depend on you. Okay, but for normal use, daily use, you don't use as a decoration. Okay, just buy a cheaper one. Okay, this one is more look like a gift. Okay, like a decoration thing, but you can still use it. Okay, this one is a look. It's a really good package, right? And this one's a paper fan also, right? So it's really light. This one's a famous brand. Okay, you see here. Okay, and it's a really famous brand. The same way. Okay, fold it, and you twist. Use a thumb. Twist, open it, and shake. Okay, sorry. This is much lighter. Okay, it's not. See, it's really good. Okay, it's really light. So unfold it. Okay, so compare these two. Okay, this one is much better. Okay, because it's the weight is really less than this one. This one much heavier. It's bigger, right? It's not about bigger. I think it's about the material. It's really heavy. Okay, and this one compared to that one, it's easier to carry. It's the wind, okay, it's huge, it's big. Okay, it's almost same like that one. This one usually, okay, you can get some pictures on there, but this one's black. You can, if you can draw some pictures or write something on there, or you can have somebody do it for you, but I want to keep it flat. All right, so let me show you again at this angle. Okay, twist it open, shake. All right, go back. See? Okay. Okay. And then go back. Okay.